Jang Won Seok, 23, fell unconscious after jumping off a waterfall around 9 meters high on Saturday afternoon. On-site rescue personnel tried to save him, but the victim did not recover. Investigation is expected, but some witnesses said he touched the water base wrong. Jang was among a group of 11 foreign tourists from Belgium, Canada, South Korea, and the UK, who were going on an adventure tour organized by a local company at Datanla Falls, around 5 kilometers from the center of Datanla. The Highlands resort town is a scenic spot with a small series of waterfalls, a roller coaster, cablecar, and hiking trails, and a popular destination for adventure seekers. It drew around 3.38 million tourists in the first half of this year. Among them were 245,000 foreigners, up 20% from a year ago. Yet safety issue with its waterfall services remains a regular concern. Last year, a Polish tourist and a Vietnamese tour guide fell to their death while climbing down a waterfall in Datanla. A local travel firm was later fined VND $100,004,380 for providing the unlicensed tour. In 2016, 3 British tourists also died while climbing a waterfall at Datanla with an unauthorized tour guide. The video is sponsored by scentronic.com.